happy birthday! She's unwrapping Grandma's present.
What is it?
Come on. She get tired? Come on.
Hold on. Grandma will help you. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. There you go.
Won't be biting our hands, Drew.
She's happy.
Oh, bite down here. She likes it. Yeah, those buggies off. She likes it.
Look at that action shot.
Oh, no growling. Thanks, Mom.
Say thank you, Lexi. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
Yeah.